In this training video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money online the simple way, 100% beginners friendly. You don't need any kind of technical skills. For this purpose, we are targeting those people who are beginners. They don't know anything about making money online, and at the same time, they have so much time spare sitting at home and they are looking for ways to make money online. So if you come into this category, this video is going to be very, very supportive and helpful for you, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can have a good running website and you can monetize that website in different ways to make money online. And I'm going to give you proof on how other people are making money online. So this is the simple way to make money online for beginners in 2026. So you can get started today doing this and start to make money online. So let me show you how we are going to make money online. So basically what we're going to do, first of all, we're going to use a simple WordPress website. Okay, you don't have to do any kind of technical coding or anything like that. I'm going to show you how you can have a website up and running within a couple of minutes. Number two, we're going to use a free version of ChatGPT. You can use it, it's free. Okay, and with that free version, we're going to use that. And number three, we are going to tell ChatGPT to do we're going to give it a phrase, we're going to give some kind of prompt to ChatGPT, and it's going to come up with a code for us that we're going to use to actually copy and paste onto our website. Then I'm going to show you step by step how you can monetize it to start making money online. But before I do this, okay, it is very important for me to show you that other people are doing the same thing and they are making money online using this method. So let me show you. Okay, so you can see here, this is a website. It's a simple website. Now, this is a website different other than WordPress, okay? We are going to do this on a WordPress site to make it easy for you. But this is a separate website where this person is providing a calculator called the Sleep Calculator. And with the Sleep Calculator, this person alone is making over $35,000 a month, okay? With this website. How is he making this type of money? He's making this type of money from simple ads. So basically he has copy and pasted a simple code from a certain monetization app and he's pasted it onto his website. So every time he gets a click onto onto his ads, he generates money. So you can see here's an ad here. Now I believe this ad is something to do with either his own product or website or something to do with an affiliate. Okay, but last time when I checked, like a couple of weeks ago or a couple of months ago, I saw that he had an ad from Google AdSense. So every time someone was clicking on the ad, he was getting paid and he was making $35,000 a month. This person is getting over 17 million visitors every single month to his website, and he's not spending a single dime to get traffic. All these websites are coming from free Google traffic. Now you can have a similar website like this, but we are not going to create a website. We are actually going to just get the code and copy and paste that code onto our website. Now, to have a website, a similar website like this, and you want to make money like this, you can join a hosting service like HostGator, which is very, very cheap, only $3.75 per month. Okay, and with this hosting service, you can actually have a WordPress website. They will actually give you a domain name. You could get your own domain name, then you could get your own hosting website, and then with that WordPress website, you can go out there and start creating different pages, different products, different services, reviews, etc., etc. So it's a complete package that you can get for just $3.75 per month, and you can have your own domain. Obviously you need to have a domain to actually link it to your hosting service, which you will have to purchase separately. It's not included in the hosting, but in the hosting what is included is, if you click on get started, you're going to see here the $3.75 per month is including 10 websites, 10 GB SSD storage, ideal for 40,000 visitors per month, free domain first year, free site migration tool, free CDN Cloudflare, manage WordPress updates, free SSL, free malware, web application, etc, etc. So it's a very good plan where you can have your own website. Now if you want to join HostGator, here's a website address popping up on your screen. You can open up a new browser, go to this website address, and you could get your service created with HostGator. It's very, very simple. Once you get inside, you will able to have your own WordPress website, which I recommend because it's very good for creating blogs, creating articles, creating contents, and monetizing your website, and staying on the safe side if you're going to apply for Google AdSense. Now, I already have a website down here, okay? I already have a WordPress website, so I'm going to show you how simple it is, okay? Now, you can create different type of these kind of apps and website that's going to pay you money and you can monetize, okay? So I could show you down here. Here's one. This is a retirement calculator where you calculate your retirement and it gives you all the details. You could see here, this is a fitness and health calculator. This is a sleep calculator. Okay, so these are different type of calculators. Now you're probably asking, how are these people making money? They are monetizing this with different type of websites. So for example, they are monetizing it with their own products and systems. They are monetizing it with banner ads, having affiliate offers. They are monetizing it with Google AdSense. So every time they get a click, they make money. Now this sleep calculator is generating up to 202,000 visitors every single month, and this person who owns this website called thecalculator.net is earning up to $16,000 every single month. Okay, and like I said, the sleep calculator guy is earning up to $35,000 a month. So let me show you how simple it is. So first of all, what you want to do, you want to go to ChatGPT and you want to type in create a retirement calculator code for me, and let's see what ChatGPT has to do. Okay, so it's doing the job. You can see here it's doing all the job. So we're going to take this code, and in that meantime, what we're going to do, I'm going to go to my WordPress site and we're going to click on add page. Okay, and we're going to create a brand new page related to this calculator, and you can start doing this. Okay, you can start making money with this. All right, it's very simple. Now I'm just showing you calculator tools. You can create different type of tools. You could create sleep calculator. So let me show you. When you come here, and if I click on this calculator.net, if you scroll down, you can see, check this out. Okay, you can see here ideal weight calculator, pace calculator, due date calculator, scientific calculator, age calculator, date calculator, time calculator. You can have separate websites and separate pages on each calculators, and this is going to, and you will able to monetize this and start making money with this type of calculators. Okay, so let's just go back to ChatGPT and let's see if it's done a great job for us. So I could see here that it's done a great job. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this. Okay, and let's see what we can do. So I'm going to come here, add page. I'm going to add a title here. All right, so I'm going to put retirement calculator, and down here I'm going to put a block. Okay, so I'm going to come here. I can't see. Let's just see H custom HTML. All right. Let's see, let's preview this. Okay, check this out. Okay, this is looking so good. All right, check this out. But let's go back to ChatGPT and let's say, can you make this calculator more good looking, professional, and modern? All right. Let's see. Alright, is it perfect with a high conversion retirement calculator? Let's just see. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing, and then we're going to just check this out. So it's doing a great job for us. Alright, and we're going to copy it and paste it. I'm showing you how easy this is, okay? So there's no more excuse for someone to say, hey, I don't know how to do this, I don't know how to do that. I'm not a techie guy, okay? I didn't go secondary school. If I can do it, what is your excuse, alright? And I'm going to be showing you some powerful ways to make money online, alright? So stay tuned for my upcoming videos, because you're going to learn a lot from this YouTube channel. Different ways to make money online, different ways to turn your time into a money-making machine, turn your passion into a money-making machine, and turn the internet and laptop into a money-making machine from the comfort of your home. So let's see what this has done for us. So it's finished copying. Let's just copy this code. Let's go back. All right. And let me go back to the HTML. Where's the code? All right. Let's just get rid of this. And let's put this code in. And let's see. Okay. I just pasted the code inside. Let's preview it. Okay. Okay, so let's see how it would look. View. Preview in a new tab. Okay. And let's see. So we just want to see how this is going to look like. So here's the preview, okay? Retirement calculator, you can see here current age, retirement age, current saving, monthly contribution, expected annual return, etc. And if I just click on this, then it's going to come up with all the results down here. Now, if you go and do this as a HTML code professional, it's going to take you so much time. You need to learn a lot, but ChatGPT has done a great job. I just had to put in a phrase and a prompt inside, and it came up with a whole code for me that I could just copy and paste. Now I could make changes to this. I could tell ChatGPT I want to make some changes to this. I want to make it more professional. I want to make it more good looking. I want this feature to be inside, etc, etc. I could do so much stuff, okay? But I'm just going to leave it here, just giving you an idea what is possible on the internet to make money online using ChatGPT. So there's no more excuse for anyone saying, hey, I have never been schooled, I don't know what to do. This is 100% beginners friendly, okay? You can become more creative and make it more professional and do this, all right? Now you're probably asking, how do you make money? So here's how to make money. People actually monetize this. So first of all, what they do is they put banner ads right at the top down here. Like you could see here, here's a banner ad here. So you can put a banner ad right at the top here. Now that could be an affiliate offer from ClickBank, Warrior Plus, etc. It could be your own product or system, or you can just monetize this with the top websites like Google AdSense. So every time you get a click, okay, you're gonna make money. It's that simple, all right? Just like this person's doing, okay? He has a banner ad down here. Now, I don't know if this is his own product, but if someone clicks on it, definitely this person is making money, all right? So this is what you can do. Now, this is not all about traffic, okay? If this, I will create a separate video all about traffic, because just having this banner ad and monetizing this content will get you to the edge of making money, but that's not enough. You need to start driving some traffic and start getting organic traffic. Now, if I cover this in this video, it's going to get too much long, so I will create a separate video for that. So this is how you do it. You can have your own WordPress site, very, very cheap. Start creating, go to ChatGPT, play around with ChatGPT, give him different prompts. It's going to come up with different codes. Copy and paste those codes into your WordPress site, and then once you have done that, start getting some traffic, learn how to get free organic traffic, how to get your website ranked under the top Google and Bing search results. And once you start getting some traffic, then you can apply to Google AdSense, etc., and start monetizing that website to start making money online.